Can we create a web page by using Excel? Yes, we can. Even the people who create websites, even that doesn't know that we can create an Excel, we can create a web page by using an Excel. My name is Emmanuel. I'm the founder and the chief trainer of an Excel gang. I've trained many professionals and corporates. Now, to create a web page, we need to design the required pages into the different colors so that it will be very easy to identify the different pages. And since I have 3 sheets like Hyderabad, Chennai, Mumbai, I have 3 text here. Now, to create a web page, we need to to set up the hyperlink, we need to select the text, right click on it, and you will find a hyperlink. And once we click on hyperlink, you will be getting this window. In this window, you need to select the place in this document where you find the list of the sheets which are available. So since I want to link it to the Hyderabad sheet, select the Hyderabad and let it be A1. So once we click on it, once we click on this particular text, it will redirect to the Hyderabad sheet. In the same way, for Chennai, right click and set up the hyperlink for the Chennai sheet. And for Mumbai, right click and set up the hyperlink to the Mumbai sheet. In the same way, if you want to link to the other data sources, you can right click on it. So once I click onto this cricket score, it should redirect to the specific website. For the specific website, you can click onto this option, that is existing file or web page. So you can type the web address here. So www.cricketinfo.com. Once we click on OK, so once we click on it, it will redirect to the particular website. So the way you want it, you can design. So in the Hyderabad sheet, I'll be inserting a shape. So I'll be inserting the shape as up arrow. So let me place it here and let me expand so that it looks like a house. So let me type home as a text. And for better presentation, let me align to the center. And you can also set up the hyperlink not only to the text as well as to the shapes. So just right click on this particular shape and set up the hyperlink such a way that once we click on to the this button, it should redirect to the home page. So place in this document, click onto the home page. So this is how you can design the way you want it. So already have set up the hyperlink to this shape. So I'll be copying this one to the rest of the sheets. So let me copy this shape and paste it in the required sheets. So as of now, I made it a simple design. And to create a web page, just we need to save the file as file as web page. So let me type it as XYZ file name, and that should be saved as web page. So once we save this file as a web page, this will get created as a web page on a particular path. So this path you can put it on your shared drive such a way that the users who can access your shared drive can access this page. So once the users open that particular file or that particular link, that will be open in the web browser instead of in Excel. Now let me show how it will be displayed in a web page. So the file, the Excel file which were created and that has been saved as a web page. So when I open, instead of showing it in an Excel file, it's showing in a web browser. So user can click onto that particular option so that it will redirect to the required location. This is how you can create it, and this file can be accessed by the multiple people who can access shared drive. So this is how you can create a web page by using Excel application. Thank you.